Namaste. Welcome to this presentation on the impactful work of Plan International Nepal. Our mission is very clear and resolute. All girls and young women standing strong, enjoying their rights and freedom with dignity in Nepal. Through our efforts, we strive to create lasting change in the lives and the communities that we work with. For the past 45 years, Plan International has been at the forefront of creating change in Nepal, standing along girls, young women, and their communities. From providing access to education, health services, to championing gender equality and child rights, our journey has been one of resilience, partnership, and impact. Together, we have empowered countless individuals, fostered inclusive communities, and built pathways to a brighter and more equal future. This journey would have not been possible without the dedication of our partners, supporters, and the unwavering spirit of the people and the communities that we work with. Now, let's take a closer look to our story, our milestones, our challenges, and the lives we've touched upon through the years. Here's a glimpse into Plan International's 45 years of commitment and impact. Meet Chanchal, a young girl from a marginalized community in rural Nepal. Just a few years ago, Chanchal's dream of going to school was overshadowed by her daily struggles, limited resources, cultural barriers, and lack of opportunities. But Chanchal's story took a transformative turn when Plan International Nepal stepped in. Through our support, Chanchal received quality education, school supplies, and a safe learning environment. Her family was engaged in awareness sessions about the importance of girls' education, and a community was empowered to challenge harmful norms. Today, Chanchal not only excels in her studies but also leads her school girls' club, inspiring others to dream big. Chanchal's journey is one of the countless stories that define our 45 years of legacy in Nepal. Since 1978, we've partnered with communities to ensure children like Chanchal can learn, lead, decide, and thrive. Our work is centered on four key thematic areas: learn, which means ensuring inclusive, quality education for all children; lead, empowering young girls to lead and influence decisions that affect their lives; decide, supporting adolescents, young girls to make informed choices about their future; thrive, promoting health, safety, and well being for all. Together, these themes lay the foundation for building a gender equal society. In addition to this, we focus on critical to holistic development, addressing climate crisis and enhancing resilience through disaster risk management and humanitarian programming, improving access to water, sanitation, and hygiene for healthier community, strengthening governance to ensure accountability and inclusivity at all levels. At Plan International Nepal, we believe in transformative approaches, being gender transformative, tackling the root cause of gender inequality, upholding a human rights based approach, ensuring that rights of every individuals, building the agencies of children and young people, empowering them to lead change, driving impact through influencing campaigns and promoting digital innovation, ensuring our work is environmentally sensitive and sustainable. Our vision of change spans three critical dimensions: shifting social norms, attitude, and behaviors to create an enabling environment; enhancing social and economic assets, safety nets for vulnerable population; strengthening policy frameworks and budget to support sustainable development. Our ultimate vision is an inclusive, just, and safe society for girls, adolescents, and young women where they can thrive with dignity and equality. We are proud to work across Nepal, reaching diverse communities with targeted initiatives. Let's hear directly from our teams and young leaders in Jumla, Kalikot, Bardia, Sinduli, and Tanusa as they showcase the transformative impact of our work. We have reached 1.6 lakh children, including 97,029 girls, 1,182 communities with sponsored children directly benefiting from our work, 525 communities with non sponsored children directly benefiting from our work, worked in over 23 districts. We've carried out 40 projects. We worked with 29 partners. 2,067 communities members were trained in gender equality. 875 community members and volunteers, 68 staff in partner organizations and institutions were trained in child protection. By 2028, we will directly reach 700,000 girls, adolescents, and young women, and 1.5 million individuals indirectly. As we move forward, we remain committed to expanding our reach and deepening our impact, ensuring no one is left behind. At Plan International Nepal, we are inspired by the strength and the resilience of girls, young women, and their communities. Together, we are building a brighter, more equal future. Thanks for being a part of this journey.